Organic products are those that are derived from wholly natural ingredients, and that have gone through minimal changes before reaching your face. Some of the benefits of organic cosmetics. They are kinder to the environment, they are much cheaper, free if you make your own a lot of the time. It's great fun, they are completely unique. How about being the only person with that lipstick color, or that perfume? They improve other aspects of your health too, they make great gifts, they help you look better than ever, and to reveal the astonishing beauty you always had. Natural beauty is the best type of beauty. It is recognized by many to be the most amazing and pleasing form. Plus, when you are beautiful, you have a better self-image and you have a better outlook on life. The key is being able to do this. For those who want to have a natural beauty, it is always best to make wise decisions about their beauty region. 1. Care for your face with love. Use only those products for your face and skin that are all natural. Organic products are even better. Doing this will aid you in having amazing looking skin for the long term. 2. Keep your skin hydrated. To do this, you will need to consume at least 8 full glasses of water each day. You may want to drink juices too, as they often have natural nutrients in them. Yet, water is the key to health. 3. Make sure each meal has a wide range of colorful vegetables and fruits in it. You need the antioxidants to improve the quality of skin and to flush out the debris and plague from your arteries and skin cells. 4. Choose concealers based on the ingredient they have in them. You will want to choose products that provide the most natural base, since these items are so close to the skin. 5. Always use UV protection makeup. Or apply a layer of UV sunscreen under your makeup and regularly apply again throughout the course of the day. Even in the winter time, you need to protect your skin from the harm that the sun can cause. Up to 80% of skin damage comes from the sun. 6. Apply less makeup overall to cover your face. You will want to keep your makeup fresh, add light in color. Use naturally based colors for the best overall results. 7. Keep your eye on trends, but go with what you love. Makeup color trends change often. New products hit the market each season. Your job is to choose those that give you the best look. When you incorporate these tips into your overall beauty regimen, you will see marked improvement in your overall skin quality and your look. Keep it up and you will be fighting aging too.